Hello everybody, how are you? Today I want to talk about how is coagulation cascade occurs. First of all, coagulation is a major hemostatic function responsible for prevention and termination of bleeding following injury, and it is balanced by fibrinolytic system. Coagulation system is divided into two pathways. The first pathway and called extrinsic pathway, which begins after a trauma to vascular wall and surrounding tissues, and the second pathway called intrinsic pathway, which begins in blood itself. Here in this table we have all coagulation factors we need in the coagulation cascade. You can take a look about each factor and its name. And now to understand the coagulation cascade. When a tissue is damaged, this will activate surface factors to activate intrinsic pathway by activation of factor 12. And factor 12 activates factor 11. And factor 11 activates factor 9. And factor 9 activates factor 10. And then factor 10 converts prothrombin to thrombin. And also in the extrinsic pathway, when tissue is damaged, lead to release tissue factors that activate factor 7. And then factor 7 activates factor 10 to convert prothrombin to thrombin. Then thrombin from both pathways has three actions. The first action activates factor 8 to help in production another thrombin through activation factors 9 and 10. The second action converts fibrinogen to fibrin monomers to become soluble fibrin polymers. And the third action activates factor 13 to activate production of insoluble fibrin polymers called red thrombus to close the wound. Then when the wound is closed by red thrombus, we need to stop the coagulation cascade by a small protein called antithrombin 3 that inactivates several enzymes in the coagulation system to stop thrombin and fibrin production. And also we have the fibrinolytic system that comprises an inactive proenzyme called plasminogen, which can be converted to the active enzyme called plasmin, which in turn degrades fibrin into soluble fibrin degradation products to prevent clots from growing and becoming problematic, such as occluding the vessels. I hope that you get a benefit from this video about coagulation cascade. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to follow my scientific channel. And thank you.